Bonjour and hi from Vittel in France. I completely forgot to recap last day's events. Yesterday's ride was pretty tough, 150k, 2000 altitude meters, I believe. That's not something that I would normally shy away from, but I did bits and pieces on gravel as well, and last 50k were pretty gruesome as particularly my right foot started to hurt a lot. Now I've changed to platform pedals for this particular trip on my gravel bike, as sort of SPD pedals did not work for me. I had too many issues with my knees and hip and other things, and I thought, well, let's just do that. But I now fear that the shoes that I bought are not stiff enough. The soles are not stiff enough, and that gives me other problems. So one or two problems solved, created another one. So I'll have to see how that pans out over the next couple of days. So today I'm going to go from Vittel towards Vitry-le-François, which is around 125k due west, and then tomorrow I should hit Épernay in the Champagne region, and from there on I will go to Troyes, more to the south, to Chablis, and towards Dijon. So that would be the plan for the first week. Of course I have no idea if I actually make it, because weather and fitness and all that. But for now, yeah, I'm out. I'll just have to see if I can pack this chaos. Well, we'll manage. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Just outside Vittel, a good start of the day. Nice, quiet D roads, just the way I like them. So I'm half an hour out of Vittel now, on my way towards Vitry-le-François. It's about 125k, and well, as you can see, the weather's still holding out quite nicely. I just learned that it's going to change again, because yeah, that's this summer in Europe. But well, until then I'm going to thoroughly enjoy this one. So talk to you later. Bye. Can you hear that? Absolutely no sound, apart from the sound of this little river flowing. Lovely. I like that clock. It's fashionably late, just like me. 12:05, so. Huh. Time for a little break. Not sure if this church is still in operation, but it makes a very good place for a little rest. I don't think so. Okay. Right, a little recap of the day so far. I've done 45k, so that means 80 to go, and so far the route's been absolutely magnificent. Super quiet rural country roads, just the way you want them. Hardly any traffic. The only downside to all of that is I hardly passed any villages that had a bar or a supermarket or anything like that, so yeah, that's a bit of a pity, and something I might need to change in the upcoming routes, because sometimes you just want to have a drink. 30k is a larger village, but yeah, I hope I can find something until then, because I could do a little bit of coffee. But again, yeah, today the weather's beautiful and the ride is good and smooth, so yeah, couldn't be happier. So that's it for now. I'll talk to you later. Bye. So this is the climb. Great. Well, shouldn't expect too much traffic. Very certain I did not select gravel, but I would not have wanted to do this on the road bike at all. It's supposed to be a nice 3% incline for 3k, but it's got two downhills in it. Oh, come on, 2 downhills, that's not bad. I'm doing 10%. Crack. The clouds all of a sudden. I hope they don't bring rain. We'll see. Absolutely no idea what it is, but it seems to be a landmark, so let's just check it out. That's a nice old cliff over there. But not stand too close to the edge. Seems natural. The rolling thunder I'm hearing are aeroplanes and not, in fact, thunderstorms. Well, I was hoping for a little bit of water here, but it's none to be found. That's too bad. I wish there were a way to incorporate in my commute routes the places that have water tap points. Not sure if you can do it. Maybe you have to add them as favorites or something. And I also learned from other bikers that they will sometimes go to graveyards to get water, but I feel very uncomfortable by that. It's probably perfectly legal, but I don't know. I'm not there yet. But 20-25k to the next larger village, so I hope to have at least a good cup of coffee there, and I'll talk to you later. The sunflowers are a bit, well, sunflowers seem a bit sad today. I'm happy with the wind. So now about to enter Poissons, or fishes in English. Hopefully there's a bar there, because I could very much use some coffee. So I've just crossed the river Marne, and this is a canal in Joinville. The funniest thing is, this water is very green, and I have vivid memories of this specific color and the color of the water in the Marne, where I'll be heading actually tomorrow, because in the past I spent quite a few holidays there. So back in the day, the swimming pool at the campsite we were at had a swimming pool that was filled with water from the Marne, and that had the absolute same color as this, which makes sense as this is a canal very close to the Marne. As a kid I never really liked this kind of water. It was not very, I don't know, not the highest quality, I don't think. But anyways, we'll see if the campsite's still there, and tomorrow, I hope. Now, another 40k to do today. Knackered, but I'll go on. See ya.
Je suis seul dans l'univers. J'ai peur du ciel et de l'hiver. J'ai peur des fous et de la guerre. J'ai peur du temps qui passe. Dis, comment peut-on vivre aujourd'hui dans la fureur et dans le bruit? Je ne sais pas, je ne sais plus, je suis perdu. Fais comme l'oiseau, sa vie l'air pur et d'eau fraîche, un oiseau, d'un peu de chasse et de pêche, un oiseau, mais jamais rien ne l'empêche, l'oiseau, d'aller plus haut. Mais l'amour dont on m'a parlé, cet amour que l'on m'a chanté, ce sauveur de l'humanité, je n'en vois pas la trace. Dis, comment peut-on vivre sans lui? Sous quelle étoile, dans quel pays?
Well, last 5k. Oh, I'm knackered, but I think those last 5k I'll manage as well. So see you later.
Je n'y crois plus, je suis perdu. Fais comme l'oiseau, sa vie l'air pur et d'eau fraîche, un oiseau, d'un peu de chasse et de pêche, un oiseau, mais jamais rien ne l'empêche, l'oiseau, d'aller plus haut. Mais j'en ai marre d'être roulé par des marchands de liberté, d'écouter se lamenter, ma gueule dans la glace. Dis, est-ce que je dois montrer les dents? Est-ce que je dois baisser les bras? Je ne sais plus.